All right, what's up everyone? This is day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas giveaways. So day 1, we featured the glove box monthly subscription box. This was the December box. So they're going to be giving away 5 boxes from their past boxes to 5 lucky winners. Now, if you remember well, the way to win is all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and make sure to give us a comment on the YouTube, on the video that's specifically about that giveaway, and then go over to Instagram, comment there as well. You don't have to comment on both to win, but it does increase your chances of winning. So with that said, I've got some notes here. We had 321 comments on the YouTube video, and then we had 197 comments on Instagram. Coming to a total of 518 comments. So I went ahead and put that into, I took the whole list, put it into a random number generator, and we came out with 3 winners from the YouTube comments and 2 winners from the Instagram comments. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flash these up here for you guys so you can see who won. First one is Alpha G524. That's what I wrote down. I can't tell if it's Alpha GS24 or whatever else, but you'll see it up here. Next one, we've got Damon Virgil, 2013. Then we've got Strum Diddlyumptious, great name. Those are the 3 winners from the YouTube comments. And then on the Instagram comments, we've got Ethan Ravel and Stevie_213. So congratulations to you guys. Just make sure to shoot me an email at joshv@dtlrsupply.com. That's DTLRsupply.com. And that brings us into the day 2 giveaway. And that is going to be some things that I'm going to be pulling from my personal website, DTLRsupply.com. Make sure to check that out. But what I'm going to be giving away today is valued at over $130, guys. That's not including taxes and shipping and stuff. So fantastic value here. What I'm gonna be doing is giving away a brand new Mjjc foam cannon Pro V2. So you'll get that. You will also get, I don't have it here, but a bottle of Gentle Snow Foam from Koch Chemie. It's one of my favorite soaps. So I absolutely love that stuff. And then along with that, you'll be able to wash your car, rinse it down, and then you need to dry your car, and we're going to be including an Auto Fiber Amphibian XL. It's a 20-inch by 40-inch towel. Fantastic drying towel. It's a twist loop on one side and then plush on the other. It's a great towel, fantastic towel. I love using that thing as well. So again, all you have to do to enter for your chance to win is make sure you subscribe to the channel. You do have to be in the US for shipping purposes, but comment down below on this video. And then to increase your chances, go over to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and comment there as well. And again, we're gonna be selecting a winner within 2 days. And guys, big disclaimer here. Please pay attention to this. Every time I do a giveaway, this happens every single time. Scammers get involved in the comments below. They'll have my picture, like my normal YouTube picture, but it'll say like, text me at Telegram or something like that, and it'll say, hey, you won, or hey, let us know, write us, and you won something, I have something for you. Those are fake. I will only announce the winner on camera, and then I will reach out to you directly through that. But please don't fall for it. Usually what they do is they say, you won, but send us X amount of dollars for shipping. No shipping is going to be asked for by me. This will be sent out to you completely free, including the shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. So don't fall for the scams. Now let's get back to it. So tomorrow I'll make another video. We'll announce that giveaway, and then the winner of today's video will be on, this is going up today is Sunday, so this announcement will be on Tuesday. Sorry, I know that gets a little bit confusing, but I will announce the winner of today's video on Tuesday. Tomorrow I'll be back with another giveaway of something else. So that's it, guys. I hope that helps. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed so you have that chance to win, and we will see you on the next video.